Hi guys, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel. So today I want to share with you my sitting area and my craft room slash mom cave slash planner space, everything. And I am going to show my filming area soon. I have to clear this stuff out. I just did a haul over there on my planning channel with all the Go Wild swag, so you can check that out over on Planning My Life Full of Hope channel, which is down in the description box. So I need to clean that up, tidy it up, and then I'll show that. And then I got swag everywhere, clean off my desk, and I'll do the entire room. So this area is as you come in the door here, and I'm gonna clip different before clips and show throughout and add it in. But this armoire here was actually brown. It was in our living room for a couple of years. If you've been on the channel for a really long time, before I redid the living room, I did show, or I have shown, like it was a brown entertainment center. This was like an ivory color. I did 2 coats. I still need to do another coat right here, but it doesn't bother me too bad, but I'll eventually get to it. And then my TV, I got it from Walmart. I waited and I waited, y'all. I probably waited 2 years for Black Friday to roll around, or a year and a half. I waited till almost like the middle of the year, and you're like, oh, I gotta wait, and then you don't have your funds together or whatever, and you just want something else. So it was a great deal. I can't even remember what it was now, y'all. I think it was like 2 something. It's a smart TV, a Roku. I absolutely love it. I come up here and I'll watch YouTube or whatever, because we stream everything. We don't have cable. So the box is down low. This is probably the most recent addition, and these came from Michael's, so they probably still have them, and they just have like some extra decor. I think one may be empty right now, so it's a really huge box, and it says trust in the Lord, and I knew this will be perfect for the color and the scheme of my craft room. Josiah was kind of in here messing, so I have to kind of wipe some spots off because I just got back from Go Wild, and he was in here because my mother-in-law, she was downstairs watching TV, and I do let him come in here, but I have to be in here, but because he just makes messes. But I like the chalk paint because it's easy to wipe off or repaint if you make any messes. The boxes, I had those before. Those came from Michael's. I don't know if they still have that design or not. And then these bins were actually in my entertainment center downstairs, and these hold like all the Bath and Body Works candles that I have. If you notice, this side is not really picking up, but it's not super bright today, but it's showing bright on camera. But the color is grayish, the color gray on the walls. And then I think I seen this year during springtime, the early part of spring. I should have grabbed another one, but I got this last year at Michael's. It was like 60 or 70% off. As well, this little crate that I have used for centerpieces at Christmas and at Valentine's, and those are just some extra flowers for when I did the bouquets for the weddings and so forth. I had extra left over. And then these are just some extra decor pieces that I just put up here to try to balance it out. And I know it's a lot of stuff, but again, it's a craft room, it's a mom cave. It doesn't have to be perfect in symmetry or symmetrical and all of that, because I try to do that when I'm decorating everywhere else in the house. So that's why it looks this way, because I just have lots of things that I love in one space. So this hashtag flawless was actually black, and I got it from Marshall's, I think last year, and I spray painted it gold. And then this as well, this little centerpiece candelabra thing, it came from Kirkland's. I had it for a really long time. It was brown. I spray painted it as well, and those are Dollar Tree candles up there. I just put that little candle holder there, just set it there, so it probably will be moved. So that's it for this little area over here. Back behind there is some like a bunch of cords for our Wi-Fi, so it fits perfect for as soon as that Wi-Fi or something happens, everybody come running in here. So over here, starting over here, the table I got from Ross. We were getting ready to check out. Cottrell wanted some clothes. I think it was like around spring break. He went in there shopping. I saw it and I grabbed it up. It was like $50. I could have got another one and painted it for cheaper at a thrift store. But I'm always repainting and reusing things, and sometimes you want something new. And I like the fact that it has the little storage drawer. The little ampersand blinged out thing I have for some years now. And then this little book, which is really, really cute. The camera's not picking up all the gold foiling and stuff. It's an open book. And, well, it's a faux book. And it's a storage book, and I got it from Michael's when I got those other boxes. The lamp was downstairs, and I brought it up here because if you remember when I did my living room tour, I said the lamps were too small for the scale of the room, which I knew. I kind of knew that when I got them, but when I really got them home, I was like, they are too small. So they were perfect for my craft room. They're probably too small. I was going to put them in my room for the scale of our room too. But perfect for here. And I got those from, ooh gosh y'all, I got them from Rose's. So we used to have a Rose's department store, and then I had this for a while. I had it in the kitchen at one time. I got it from Marshall's, and then I got this from Ross not too long ago. I showed it on my Instagram. I'm not sure if I hauled it. I did get the Work Hard Dream Big from Dollar Tree, and all of that from Dollar Tree. It was a task to get these shelves up, but we finally got them up. I don't have it perfectly decorated over here, or I do want this somewhat symmetrical, but it's going to have to do for now. But the words came from Dollar Tree. They were like different colors at the bottom. I just used some painter's tape to make sure I painted it even with some chalk paint. The shelves came from Aldi. The little jars here, you can put like air freshener in them, the little sachet packs or something like that. And I probably will only leave one up here, but I have two for now. Those came from Dollar Tree. This was black. It came with like that big set of, what's it called, guys? Gallery wall of frames that you get on Black Friday. I had it for a couple of years now. Painted it gold. And then I got this from Rose's some years ago. It actually broke, so you can see there that it looks a little different on the sides. So it was a task to get those up, but we got them up. On the walls here, I have some paintings that I got from Kirkland's, and I actually had these in my living room. I didn't like the way they look. I brought them up to my craft room. They somewhat had the colors of my craft room. And sometimes, you know, they were so new still, I didn't want to get rid of them. If I found a better picture to go in here, I would. But I haven't came across a better picture. So what I did was I used some chalk paint, and I repainted over some of the bright pink fuchsia color and used more of a pale color. And I also used some Waverly chalk paint. I don't know if it's going to pick up. And brush over once it dried some of the glitter pink. So let's see, it may pick it up on the camera. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer. But that was fun doing like brush strokes. It was super easy. I would have been fine with just one picture because it is a lot going on in this room, but I forgot when we got the house built that this was actually going to be a media room. So that's why you see the little, I don't know, outlet cover there, because that was supposed to be for surround sound speaker, which is one over there in the corner. I think I showed in the other video. And then right here, this is supposed to be like the center of this wall here, and it has like another plug in the middle of the wall, which I shouldn't have did. But the TV was supposed to be up on the wall, and then we have like system or a piping that goes behind the wall to hide your cords. So we pay for that and don't even use it. So Again, this was supposed to be a media room. So I need both of these pictures up here, or at least a picture here to cover up all of that going on. Then I just put this here because I love this sign. Before I had like this iron wrought swirl piece here that was spray painted gold, but I love this sign here, so I just put it here for now, but I probably will move it. My couch is actually a futon sleeper. I absolutely love it. Let me see if I can take off some of the pillows, but it's so pretty. It's firm, but it's comfy. And decided when I was going, he did get a couple spots on it, but I got the wipes and got it off. But it's comfortable. No one has slept on it yet, but I do like to sit on it. And sometimes I'll plan over here instead of at the desk. And I got it from Wayfair. It was about three something. I don't quite remember, guys, but I'll try to put the link down below. They also have a similar one as well that has great reviews, but this one did too for a little bit cheaper. The pillows came from At Home. I had them for a while now. And then the mauve, or the blush, I'm sorry, pillows came from Walmart. They're not the best of quality, but they are still nice. The throw back here came from Big Lots. I have a gray one downstairs and a ivory one here. So I love sofa. It was somewhat easy to put together, but I'm not the greatest at putting stuff together. So if you are, it's easy to put together. The rug came from Ross, and we went in there. I think we just went in there just to go in there randomly. And I actually had a pink rug that I had over here, but I needed a larger one, but this worked out so much better. I know you guys probably can't tell on camera. Stuff looks lighter, or the camera doesn't pick up everything, but I can tell just how I was over here because it looks a little smutty compared to over here. I'm gonna have to get the steam cleaner and clean that, or switch it around, spot clean it or something. And then lastly over here, guys, just don't even see my cords, but that's my outlet for my light boxes, for my camera, everything over here. But this is a table I had for a long time. This was actually like our our nightstands in our room at one time, and I brought it in here. The other one actually broke. It used to be brown. I got it from, I think, Brian Lane Home long time ago. Spray painted it and still have it. These are some boxes that I got from Dollar General. I had them when I first started my little craft area. I showed them on Instagram, so if you've been with me a long time, you remember those. And then I just have some coasters here. This one was the ones that my cousin made for her wedding favors, which I thought was so neat and brilliant. And then this one from Dollar Tree. This flower came from, I know it's still on the bottom, I think Marshall's. Yeah. And then these really pretty collabors or candlesticks. I can't think of the name. I always think of it when I'm editing. But these came from Roses. So I love roses. I miss my roses. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it super long. I'll show my filming area once I tidy it all up. I'm going to and then I'll show that, and then I'll do an overview. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.